Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, this is from Indonesia, or by Indonesian. It is for grilling fish with Indonesian spices or Indonesian flavor. It's a little bit in the sweet part or sweet side, but also somewhat spicy, and it's pretty easy to make. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 2 candle nuts, no substitute, and 3 garlic, half of an onion, and we're just gonna grind it. You can use blender obviously, but I'm using the traditional pestle and mortar. Once it became a paste, add in 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I mean 8 teaspoon coriander, 8 teaspoon turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and 8 teaspoon of cayenne. You can use obviously fresh spices like turmeric root, ginger root, but I'm so lazy, and about 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil, and about a teaspoon or 2 of lime juice. If you have tamarind, obviously use tamarind water, but I ran out of tamarind, so I just used lime juice. Now we're gonna add a little soy sauce as well, and then we're gonna rub this onto our fish. About 1 to 2 teaspoon. And for sure salt as well. The salt is to taste, obviously. Now we're gonna rub it onto our fish. You can use any bigger fish that you can find, but I only found mackerel today and they're frozen, so this is defrosted, and obviously we have to clean the innards. I don't think they are clean, so we have to clean it first. So there's 2 ways of cleaning the innards. First, you just slice through the middle part and then pull the innard and also the inside of the head. Growing up, my mom taught me that we have to remove this part, or that's the way she likes it, so we always slice it like that. But when I went to university in Java, none of my friends clean their fish like this because they love eating this part, so they just cut through this and pull it. The same, the rest is the same. You just slice through and pull the innards, but my mom would always remove partial of the head. But in Java, people don't do that. So you can either do it like so, or you can keep the head intact, just pull the inside out. Now, after it's clean and washed, we're gonna rub with our spices. If you are not so lazy like me, you can fry or stir fry these spices first before you rub it to your fish. Otherwise, just do it right away after you make a paste, if you are lazy like me. Ha! And then we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes at least before we grill the fish. Now to serve the fish, we're gonna have some quickie sambal, which is hot sauce. In Indonesia, we have a zillion type of hot sauce, but this one is basically with soy sauce as the main ingredients, where you just slice or dice all of this in front of you, which is chili and onion and tomato, usually only shallots, which is like a small red onion, but I don't have shallots today, so I'm gonna use onion. And some people would make it without the tomatoes, but today I'm gonna use tomatoes. So we're just gonna rinse them and then slice them. So once tomato, chilies and onions are diced or sliced, place in a bowl with some sweet soy sauce, Indonesian sweet soy sauce, and then some lime juice, and we're just gonna mix it and let it soak before we serve it for about, you can also add a little oil if you want, for about 10 minutes before we serve it with our grilled fish and warm rice. This is refreshing and really nice for fish. And that's about it. Now we just grill it. Occasionally we're gonna brush it with leftover of the marinade. With the leftover of the marinade, you just want to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it, and then we're gonna brush this onto our grilled fish.